friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have a new style from Lululemon to share with you. Alright, so today we're talking all about this Lululemon Crossbody camera bag. You guys know I love Lululemon bags. I've done a review on all three of the sizes of the belt bag, as well as a large sling bag, the cinch tote, a couple of other ones. And this style was actually recommended by one of you over on Instagram. I cannot remember who it was right now off the top of my head, but you were telling me how much you loved this style, how much you recommended it, saw it in the store, and so I looked it up and you were right. It's a really, really cute style for a crossbody bag. Now this color, I'm not sure is available online right now. I feel like Lululemon cycles through stuff so quickly that by the time I get it, most of the time the color is out and like a new one is in or something like that. But this style bag I think is one of their staples that they have all the time, kind of like the belt bags. At least I've seen them on there a good bit. So I of course will link it below. I'll pin it at the top of the comments and in the description box so that you can check it out and see what colors they happen to have. So I will go ahead and set the camera down in just a second so that you can see this bag up close and how I have it packed up and what I have packed inside. Just a quick little rundown of the bag. It is so soft. It's kind of pillow-like almost in the feeling of it. It's a little bit different than some of the other Lululemon bags that I've had. On the back here, you do have one open pocket. It fits my cell phone perfectly. I usually don't even pack my cell phones in my bags, if I'm being perfectly honest. They're usually in my back pocket or something like that. But this is nice because I can just kind of stick it in here if I want to. And then the top has two different zipper openings. One, which you'll see in just a second when I put the camera down, is a little bit bigger, while the other is nice and thin. So perfect size for like a wallet in one and then all of the other stuff in the other. So I will show you that in just a second. The strap of the bag is adjustable, and it's really adjustable. Like it can get super long. I have it here probably like, I don't know, midway on it. And this is about where I would wear it crossbody, just so you can kind of see it here. I'm shorter, I'm 5 foot nothing. So just to kind of give you an idea, and it fits like right here at my hip. I could go shorter with it if I wanted it to kind of sit here. But if you are taller, I don't think that you'll have a problem with this one. It adjusts pretty long. The strap, as you can see here, is sewn onto the bag, so it is stationary. You can't remove it or anything like that. It doesn't swivel. It's just a true crossbody. All right, I think that does it as far as a little rundown on this little bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and show you what I have packed inside. All right, so here's a close-up of the bag, all packed up. As you can kind of see now what I mean by that like pillow-like material. It's just like really kind of soft and squishy almost. You've nothing on the bottom of the bag. Sides, again, strap is stationary. And then you have two main pockets, and then you have this small little pocket here kind of on the back of the bag. It's the perfect size for my cell phone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, I believe. It's like not the newest one, but the one after that. And this is a Wally case, so the little loop here can stay completely flat on the phone, which I like. And then there's also a little like card slot here if you wanted to just have your phone and some cards. But that is what I have back here in this back pocket. It's just kind of a great little slim pocket there in the back. Opening up the two main compartments here of the bag, one is a little bit bigger than this front one, like I had mentioned. The zippers are nice and smooth. They are kind of made out of this metal material, which is not my favorite, but on this bag, it's not so bad. Right here on this front zipper pocket, which is the one on the closest to the front of the bag, is your slim pocket. So this one only opens up, I mean, it opens up wide, but it's only this thin. Like there's no additional material or anything there. It's the perfect size for a wallet or even your phone if you wanted that to go inside, something slim. This is the Dagny Dover accordion wallet. I will try to link it below. It is the perfect size inside this bag, and I think it would be a really good size inside like the Lululemon belt bags too. I've had this wallet in the past, and I just recently kind of moved back into it to use it again, and I really like it. I forgot how much I liked it. It's just a really slim wallet that can fit in a ton of different pockets. So that's what I have in here. There is a little pocket here on the back of the wallet. It's not very big. It probably, like if you put a card in it, the card will stick up a little bit here. You have the Dagny Dover logo there, and then when you open it up, you have room for 3 cards on this side, 3 cards on this side, and then you have some pockets here. You have a little small one here, a bigger one, and then a bigger one. It is a great size for your passport if you want to use this as a passport wallet. And then you also obviously can put receipts and cash and all that kind of stuff in there. So that is the wallet that I had inside this pocket. Opening up this back pocket here, you can see it has tons of room. There's one small little kind of pocket inside of there, and I just have things that are a little bit like more thin, I guess you can say. I have a little sticky notepad, a hair tie, a pack of Trident gum. I also have down there a pen and a small hair clip. And then outside of that, I have a ton of other things, and you could probably even fit more in here if I'm being honest, but it just kind of organizes everything so nicely so you can see exactly what's inside and grab what you need. I have my car keys and my house key right there. Touchland hand sanitizer tucked down in there. I also have a granola bar and tons of little things. Aquaphor, lip gloss, Visine, Advil and Excedrin. And then over here, tucked in the corner, I have my iWalk charger. This thing is awesome. If you haven't seen them, it plugs directly into your cell phone. And when you plug it in, let me see if this one will do it here so I can show you. When you plug it in, oh, this one's out. Okay, well, this one actually I need to charge. But when you plug it in and it is fully charged, it will tell you right here digitally how much battery is left on this battery for your phone. So it'll give you like a percentage there. Obviously mine's dead, but you guys get the idea. If it was charged, it's a great external charger. We've traveled with it all summer, and it's just the perfect little kind of compact thing to have in your bag. So that is everything I have packed up in here. I'll give you one last look of the bag open and unpacked. Little Lululemon tag there. And then on the front here, in the smaller pocket, you can see just thin, kind of squishy like material. So there you have it. Alright, I think that does it for today's video and my quick little review here on this Lululemon crossbody camera bag. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this style. Like I mentioned earlier, I will have it linked down below should you want to check it out and see kind of what colors it comes in and more information. If you have any questions or comments or something that I didn't cover that you're curious on, leave it down below in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.